How to spin the wheel on the Temu. If you've been wondering how to spin the wheel on Temu for some awesome discounts and rewards, then you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Temu spin the wheel feature and make the most out of it. So let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to open the Temu app or the Temu website. For this tutorial, I'll be using the website. Simply go to your web browser and search for Temu. Once you open the app, you'll be greeted with the spin the wheel. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see the wheel which is divided into sections with different prices. This can be discounts, free shipping, or even free products. To spin the wheel, all you have to do is tap on it and simply click on stop for stopping, and it will randomly stop on one of the prizes. Once it stops, you'll see the prize you've won. Some prizes can be used immediately, while others may have conditions like a minimum purchase amount or expiration date. After that, simply claim your prize, and that's it. That's how you simply use the spin the wheel in Temu.